Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Windows 11 is updated and you have admin rights. This avoids permission errors. Once done, choose whether to use the built-in VPN or an app from your provider because built-in supports ICAV 2/L2TP/PPTP basics, while apps may offer OpenVPN or WireGuard. Make sure you have the server address, username, password, and any pre-shared key ready. Now open Settings, navigate to Network and Internet, and select VPN to add a new connection. This begins the configuration process. You'll now enter the connection details step by step so Windows can authenticate and route traffic correctly. After clicking Add VPN, choose Windows, Built-in, unless importing a profile. Select the VPN type that matches your provider. ICAV 2 is secure and fast. Then paste the server address and fill username and password. If using L2TP, add the pre-shared key. Make sure to enable Remember My Sign-In info to avoid repeated logins and save the profile. Finally, click Save and return to the VPN list to connect. You connect by selecting the saved profile and hitting Connect. Watch the status shift to Connected. Once connected, verify your IP and location in a browser and confirm access to internal resources like file shares or intranet pages to ensure routing works. If it fails, don't panic. Recheck username/password, confirm the VPN type matches provider settings, and temporarily disable Windows Firewall or third-party antivirus for a test. If still blocked, reboot the device and consult the provider for server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.